Hello everyone, my name is Kari Balakrishna and this is HTVM Digital Media. So today we are going to learn very basic about a marketing and sales tool. So why I'm calling it tool? Because if you start applying this tool in your company, it will start growing very potentially. There are a lot of people who never try this thing in their business, and which as a result they just stop growing over there. So we as a marketer, first we have to understand the very basic thing about marketing. I know you might be learn very advanced thing, but still if we understand very basic thing how this marketing works, it will be far better to explain our customer about the very important thing about marketing. So my name is Kari Balakrishna and we will just present this presentation. So why should we consider marketing and sales in a first place? See, marketing and sales can be a very positive things to be considered for a company which really want to grow fast. If we want to grow our company, we have to do marketing and sales. And if you have a vision to grow your company from 1 to 2 to 4 to 6, 8, 10, 20, 30, you have to get a continuous flow of the leads to people, to find people and to serve them by your product and services. So for getting continuous flow of customer, you have to do a marketing. Marketing is just telling someone about your products and services and keep on telling them by various channels, so that more and more people try to connect with you. So this is the basic thing about marketing. And there is another vision which goes behind, that you want to become a local leader, a state leader, a national leader, or international brand. So you can consider marketing as a tool and try to leverage it. See, one thing, understand, lot of people are not able to do marketing is just because they don't have a thinking that their product is superior, their service is superior. So that's why they lack in that one. And it's about mindset also. Once we understand that, this two thing gets clear, so we can reach to more and more people by taking our products. We have to keep on improving our products and services so we can feel confident and we can go into market and make a noise of. Now one thing, understand that marketing, first of all, by going few people and doing some proactive marketing, just we have opened the shop and people are coming into our shop. This is reactive marketing. So we are doing a reactive marketing, just we have opened our shop and we think that the people who wants our services and product will come to my shop and will take the services and product. So this is a reactive marketing. Now once we go into the proactive marketing strategies, which we will start going in the market and start looking for the customer. So this is called proactive approach. Now in the proactive approach, now where we will find people to introduce our products and services. So let me consider that we'll start with a small community which people are building around it. So small community means the common interest of that people, their behavior, their habits, their hangouts. There are a lot of things which makes people into small groups and communities. Now going into this community, we can start promoting our products and services by this community method. Let's say we have started with 5 people community. 5 people community might be a small group of 5 friends which have a common characteristics in this group. Let's say this group like to go hang out with movies, cricket. Something might be common in these 5 friends. We can target them. Okay. After that, there might be a group of 50 people. Now, to target this 50 people group might be some organization, some small organization, NGO, a volunteer for some causes. Maybe some group they are associate in a small park or garden area where these people come and try to hang out. Then we go into a 500 people group. Now this 500 people group might be something like might be some, let's say they have some union, or in industrial area there are some association made by a small group of people who have a similar business. So these are the 500 people we can go out. Now the second thing comes in 5,000 people group. You can consider this 5,000 people group might be some employees, or maybe some cab drivers, auto rickshaw drivers, or maybe some bus employees, some organization employees, some office goers which have a group. Now come to 50,000 group. It might be let's say take example of Mumbai Dabbawala. There are more people over there. So these are the groups. Now in 5 lakh group, there might be some 5 lakhs. Maybe you can take some web pages, influencers. There are a lot of things. A 1 crore group, maybe 1 crore group might be some organization state which are running India wide or maybe like that. This way 10 crore group, 100 crore groups. Now let's take this 1 billion group. Now how this group have been made by Google, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram and YouTube. They have built their groups, their organization based on interest. Some people want to post videos or stories, whatever they have started making this group. Now understand, from 5 people group to a 1 billion people group. Now this community has been built. It has taken them years to build that groups. Now as a business owner, we want to introduce to this kind of in this group to promote our product and services. See, understand one thing, that if we start making partnerships with lot of people, then we can grow our business very potentially. Now to make a partner with them, we have to incentive them, right? We can't take freely from them, just one-sided. We have to give them something back. right? So what if we are making a 10,000 rupees? Can't we contribute them 1,000 rupees? Can't we compensate with just 1,000 rupees for them? To maintain these groups, there is lot of infrastructure has been used. Just like Facebook, there are lot of a data center which they are running. Understand that thing. Same goes with Facebook, Instagram. They have their data center which has, and they have so many employees to be paid off. Now these people, where will they find the money out of? So understand that thing. By getting into this taking advantage of these groups, we can start growing our company really exponentially. So as we started thinking like this way, that we are making a partner with other people, so our marketing and sales will go to the next level. So this was my understanding in a basic way, so you can think like this and start approaching your customer. So this is for a new people. If you understand and try to approach things like this vision and this point of view, the things will start really changing very dramatically in your personal business also and in the client's business also. See, marketing, doing business is just 80% of mindset. Understand one thing, if your 80% mindset is clear, the 20% is only a tool and strategies. You will start getting result instantly in your life. Okay, so work on your mindset rather than the learning strategies and tools. If things are not working in your life, the only problem is that you are not aware of the mindset game. The first we have to win from our mind, then we can win the outer world. So a lot of good wishes to my fellow friends. I wish that you get succeed in your business, in your life. So myself, Kari Balkrishna. This was present by HTVM Digital Media. Thank you so much for your time. Love you all.